powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This all-wheel drive sport utility vehicle, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 22 miles per gallon. This Audi features premium package, all-wheel drive, tilt wheel, and hill descent control. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, backup camera, heated seats, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
There are 300+ reasons the Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts the certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance and peace of mind.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Audi of Oakland, a Carfax Advantage dealer.